Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. I'm coming to you from this really weird angle. Basically, this is my kitchen, and right here just to the right of me is my Calyx unit. I just filmed a video all about my Calyx and how I use it in my sewing room and why I still love it. It's like a 2-year check-in, so check that video out. But in the meantime, this is kind of like a completely unplanned, totally off the cuff video because as I was filming about the Calyx, the FedEx man showed up and brought me this. And this is a Missouri Star shipment. As I'm filming this, we are in the month of March and it's 2024. How did that happen? Okay. How did I get here? Anyway, it is what it is. It's March of 2024. It is National Crafting Month. It is National Quilting Month. And to celebrate National Quilting Month, this month only, Missouri Star has a very special 20% off coupon. Well, it's not really a coupon, it's a discount. And how do you get this discount, you may wonder? I'm so glad you asked. So I am a member of the Missouri Star Ambassador team. And as part of that designation or honor or however you want to look at it, this month we've all been given a very special link, and using that link it will take you right to the Missouri Star website. Anything you purchase $50 or above will net you a 20% off discount, and if you get enough, and I'm not sure what the amount is, but if you buy enough stuff you also get free shipping. This is a great deal. So 20% off and free shipping. And even though I personally have been on a no spend for 2 months, I broke it. I broke it big time. And I broke it because when I did the order a couple weeks ago for the initial promotion, that video I shared with you a couple of videos back, I'll link to it below so you can see it. Anyway, wasn't sure how I was ordering and I didn't really know what I needed until stuff came in. You know how it is. So I wound up having to go back and buy a few things. And this I purchased with my own money. But it's still Missouri Star and I'm going to use it with my Missouri Star projects. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera and we're going to open this package. And this is the first time that I've ordered from Missouri Star that it came in a soft package. Usually it comes in a box, but yeah, it's perfectly fine. So, all right, hang tight. Let's turn the camera and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here we are at the tabletop to my work table. And let's see if we can get into this package. This was purchased specifically for projects that I want to make using the other fabric that I got from Missouri Star, and I realized I just didn't have quite enough. So this is yardage, and I'll show you the fabric that it's going to go with. And I wound up getting everything from the same collection. And here's a big surprise. It's all Ruby Star. So this is from the Verbena collection. And I am working on a specific thing using Verbena. And this will help to finish the Verbena initial project. And then I'm going to use these in another project as well. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. So this is... absolutely gorgeous. So when I initially ordered, I didn't know what I was ordering, and I wound up just getting like a width of fabric I wound up getting a width of fabric 1/4 yard cut, and it just was not enough for what I'm doing. So I went back, I got 3 yards of this because it's beautiful. And then to go with it, I got the neutral, and this is called Petals, and it's goldenrod. And this is Petals in natural. And you know, I already have this opened. I'll show you what that looks like. This one is called Rubber Bands, and it's in navy. And I purchased specifically like I did because these three things will go together. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get the other opened petals. It is so beautiful. I already had 2 yards of it, so I got another 2 yards because it is a beautiful, beautiful background fabric. So these 3 things. And my thought process was that I would use them with the panel project that I'm working out in my head right now. And oh my word, if you have not seen the opening box unboxing I did on the Whiskers fabric collection, oh my goodness, I'll link it to you. You want to go look at the Whiskers, and I'm going to tell you something. Don't sleep on Whiskers because it is absolutely the cutest thing I have seen in a very long time. And I've seen a lot of cute stuff. But the Whiskers, oh my gosh. And I've got a couple of projects in mind for this panel. And this panel has, I think, 40 different little cats. And yeah, you don't sleep on Whiskers. It's really cute. They still have these in stock as of the morning that I'm filming this. The yardage of the Purrfect Pals, it is gone. It's sold out. We'll talk about that in a second. I'll show you that. But anyway, I was thinking that these 2 would go with. And it does. It'd be better if it was a little more teal, I guess. You know, this is what's hard, picking stuff out when you don't have everything in front of you. You're just kind of, you're making a guess. I know the yellow will go with it. I think it'll work. I mean, this is more blue-green, so we'll see. I might pick something else. I did not plan this video at all, in case you can't tell from this high quality commentary. Yeah, I didn't plan any of this. Anyhow. Oh, let's see. So we'll come back to the cats. This is the Verbena. And I do have a specific project that I'm working out the details on it now of the this Verbena charm pack. Or 5-inch squares, I should say. And the full collection is in here, and it is beautiful. So all of this is from here. Isn't it lovely? I am so excited for this project. I'm working it out now. So that's what I got today. And I was hoping I could use it with my cats. But now I'm not sure. Let me show you the Purrfect Pals yardage. This is darling, and it's sold out. I mean, I don't know if it was the video that I put out showing this to you guys, but all I know is I put out that video and it sold out. And I did find it on another website, but it's sold out over there too. So I called Missouri Star and asked them if they would be getting any more and could they please order more of this yardage. And the woman I talked to was super helpful, and she said she had already put in the request for it. We don't know when it will come in because, you know, everything's messed up. Also, this is a UK design, so maybe they didn't order quite as much as they normally would, but, you know, people are bananas for this. And who wouldn't be? Because look how cute that is. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. So this is the yardage, the Purrfect Pals, and then this is the panel. And don't sleep on the panel because it is really cute. And I will tell you, I did find more of this and I ordered it. So I have it coming. I am going to continue on with a couple of projects using it. And just try to get it if you can. They do have it in the cream colorway, so that one is still available. I got some of that too. But the teal is out everywhere, unfortunately. You could buy it, I shouldn't say that. You could buy it from overseas, so you could get it directly from a UK fabric store. but I don't know what the customs and the shipping is going to look like on that. So anyway, I do know that Missouri Star is going to try to get more. And, you know, if it's something you really like, call them. They're very nice people. They have an 800 number on their website. Call them and just say, I would really love if you could get in some more of that Purrfect Pals. I saw it on the Pattymac Makes YouTube channel, and I would really like to make her projects, and I would love for you to get more of this in. So anyway, and use my link. Sorry, shameless plug. Okay, so that's what's going on. This is like, I've got to wrap it up. My mom's nurse is on the way, so I need to finish up what I'm doing here. But anyway, this is what I got today. And 2 yards, basically this. You know, and let me just say, so here, this I have wrapped on the comic book boards. It's 2 yards on comic book boards. I do use the alligator clips now to secure. And this is the just the package of fabric. And I just love the comic book board size because I can really see what I'm doing. The loose fabric, I mean, it is nice. You can still use it, but I don't know. I'm just hooked on the mini bolt. I love the mini bolt. Okay, that is the video, such as it is. It's a little bit of a hot mess, but I have to tell you something. That's how I feel today. I am a total hot mess this morning, and I'm just doing my best. So okay, that's it. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know how it's going to be until I edit. I hope it's okay. And that's what I have for you right now. And I hope that you love it. The Verbena, don't sleep on the Verbena either because it is absolutely beautiful. It is a Ruby Star Society line. And I just am so, so happy that Missouri Star is starting to carry Ruby Star because they didn't for a long time. I wish they had this. Isn't that pretty? Anyway. Project coming, working on it now. Projects coming, we'll be working on them later. Probably next month I'll start those. And we'll see how all of this gets incorporated in. But that's it for now. That's what I have for you. As always, thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Thank you for using my links and my codes when I share them with you because it goes so far in supporting and sponsoring the work on the channel, and I appreciate it so much. So that's it for today. Until next time that we meet, happy sewing and happy quilting, friends, and I'll see you around YouTube.